So one area is technology, Zeeshan. The second area is money. What have you learnt about money?
Oh, I'm still trying to figure that out. As we speak, we're in the middle of a fundraise, right? And before that, very interestingly, MyCaptain has scaled profitably and being bootstrapped. So till now, while we have reached the kind of numbers that we have reached, the kind of students, the number of students that we have reached, we are amongst the top 10 edtech companies in the country when it comes to paid user base. And despite reaching this stage, we have been completely bootstrapped and we have not raised any kind of external funding. So while it's great to build profitable and sustainable ventures, what I've realized is that if you need to scale and if you need to really create a brand out there, you need to raise money and you need to go out there and spend that money in marketing and advertising and creating a brand. Because if you don't do that, a competitor will come in, raise 100 times more than the money that you have, and despite having a superior product or a better offering or anything, it won't matter. So if you're running tech startups, especially in the consumer space, while you build a great sustainable structure, you have great unit economics, you will need to go out there, raise a lot of money. You will definitely need to invest a lot of money in building your brand and then capturing that particular space as the first choice partner or a first choice company to go to in that space. So that's very a funding related question, because my mindset, my mind right now is just in the middle of a fundraiser. So that's what comes out when I'm talking about it. But yeah, I'm just learning a lot about it. I think whatever you learn in your initial years, you completely need to forget it and relearn and keep that as you progress further and further and achieve better scale.
Very nice. Very nice. So it's all about learning as you go along, right? The rules that you knew in college is no longer valid right now.
Learning and unlearning, depending on the stage of life you're in or the stage of your venture that you're in. What is needed in an early stage venture is very different from a late stage venture compared to a mid scale company, right? So it's completely opposite, right? So yeah.
Very nice.